Hello folks, the FCC certification database has spat out not one or two Pixel phone model numbers, but a full set of 4, leaving us wondering about its 2022 plans going forward. At the Google I/O conference in May, we are expecting the mid-range Pixel 6a, while in the fall Google could be announcing the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro, just like last year it issued the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro in November. The fourth model number, however, is more mysterious. The FCC logged a GX7AS, GB17, G1AZG and GB62Z phones and listed that all support 5G, LTE, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth, which are staple on modern phones, even the potential budget Pixel 6a. Before we go on a tangent here and envision that the Google Pixel Fold might also be among these 4 model numbers, as it is rumored to finally appear in 2022 after being put on the back burner last year, let's remember that when the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro hit the FCC, they carried no less than 6 model numbers with them, according to the different carriers they appeared on. And this might be the case with the 2022 Pixel phones as well. The GX7AS likely denotes a Google Pixel 6a, as this device already leaked on Geekbench, carrying 6GB RAM and Android 12, and the rest could be its versions for new carriers it will appear on. On another note, there was a rumor that Google will try to pull the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro announcement for earlier in the year, rather than release them way after the new iPhones have hit the shelves. Still, we doubt that Google will announce the 7 series together with the Pixel 6a at the I/O Expo, but it can certainly tease them, as it was teasing the 6 series the whole of last summer. All early signs point to the Pixel 7 generation being about refinement rather than radical change, and with the global chip situation looking more and more encouraging by the day, Google might be able to produce a larger number of handsets more easily than last year. While a September debut directly against the iPhone 14 roster certainly sounds exciting, the other 2 theories also paint a much prettier picture than what happened with Pixel 6 availability last year. So either way, Google is likely to become a bigger threat than ever for Apple and Samsung in 2022. According to the rumors, the Pixel 7 and its larger Pixel 7 Pro sibling will be running on a 2nd generation Google Tensor 2 chipset paired with the new Samsung Exynos 5G modem that is in the Galaxy S22 series Exynos chip. The Pixel 7 series design is expected to land several refinements, yet keep the signature horizontal camera island strip and the two-tone body color. Pixel 7 is said to arrive with a slightly smaller 6.3-inch display diagonal, although this could be a rounding detail, but have a more refined and compact design than its predecessor, with the camera border blending more seamlessly into the frame. If Google refines the camera further as well and keeps the same $600 price, the Pixel 7 may end up being one of the best value for money Android handsets when it lands later this year. Anyway, we will keep you updated, share the video with your friends, thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, good luck to everyone.